What's new in IKEA June 2020 after reopening IKEA stores in London. I'm gonna take you through the showroom, show you the prices. If you like the video or any of my assembly videos, please subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot. Thank you very much, and let's go and browse the IKEA store together. All the colors combinations here, you can see here exactly the same unit, but you can combine the doors, drawers, baskets, different baskets, plastic baskets. So there's plenty combinations here for this Kallax units. Exactly the same here, only smaller one. You get 4s and you get first 12 ones, 8 here, different basket as well. And a kids combination, Trofast, £42. Just the price wise, this one with 8 openings, £45. This one £75 for this bigger one, and £55 for this smaller one. This will be different colors, different prices. This is £60 for the white one. You can see the different boxes, it's quite nice, like jeans kind of box here. This is the new Eket units. If you're mounting to the wall, you can combine them together different ways. And they have a smaller and bigger ones here as well. As you see, this is a combination of 4, and this is the single one. Single one is £25. This bigger one, £45. Brimness, £65. Bookcases, Brimness, and the usual Billy. There's Billy combinations here, different colors, different sizes, with the extension here on the top, glass shelves you can put inside, and different doors option here, glass as well here, white or glass only, or different color option for the frames for the doors, with the different inside, just white or glass. Can be shelving unit, this small one, £20. More shelves here. This is the one we saw in the kitchen before, and this combination is, seems like £400 for all this. With this small table, it's the option for the cupboards for the small desk. There you can see it. These cabinets here, light-up bookcase with a glass door, £279. This light-up without the doors, £179. And this is the desk section here with the Alex units. By the way, next video assembly coming on this Alex unit, and I'm gonna show you a few options what you can do regarding the tables, combining them with the tables. As you see, those units, they can be mounted here as a legs, and you can combine them with the legs or with the 2 units on the side. I'll show you the example in a moment, and I'm gonna explain in the next video, next assembly video about this Alex unit and the options you have. Here we got the table tops. Lot of different options, different size, and it is possible to cut them as well if you need it. I'm gonna explain that in the video as I mentioned. So we can combine the aluminum tops just with the legs here. You can see just through those brackets, and you got the desk here. Very simple. It's the office desks. But this is different prices here. It does some £185 for this one. They're adjustable down there, but this is manually adjustable. There is the electric option, £450 for this one. That's cool. is very practical. If you're working long hours on the computer, standing or sitting desk, that's a good thing. Like those chairs, soft ones, but they are probably as well. Oh, 85 pounds, that's quite reasonable. And they're adjustable as well, the heights, I think. Yeah, just like that with this latch here. Let's check it out more. Desks here, this is adjustable manually. 195 pounds with an electric option. Beacon, 425 pounds. Chairs, office chairs, 55 pounds. Flinton here, the same desk, Edison as the previous one. They have this kind of system here for going up and down, 450 pounds. Edison units here, 250 pounds for this one. And office chair, this is pretty comfortable, but 229 pounds for this one. But it looks pretty comfy. Garden, outdoor furniture, Ask Coleman chair, 20 pounds. This small table here, table for wall, outdoor, 25 pounds. And this trails, 18 pounds. And it's just the half of it, like that. This is a 3 parts here. You can mount your stuff on it. Best option here on this side, on this wall, is mounted together like this with the table. We saw this one before, and the sofa, Grundlin, 784 pounds for this one. Another kitchen here with the island on the middle for the chair. Those chairs are 115 pounds. Those cabinet here with a round mirror. And that's mirror is 75 pounds. Small kitchen unit here. Those funny door handles. And we're getting in the more kitchen stuff here. Working bench, nice bamboo style here with the metal drawers. This one for Hodia, 80 pounds. This one with the drawers. This is the two shelves at the bottom, 199 pounds. And I'm not pronouncing this one either. Kitchen trolleys on the wheels. This one 25 pounds. And this one 19 pounds, bigger one. The smaller one, extendable, 115 pounds. And this one 229 pounds. Flat Homa. Let's see some of the more kitchen stuff here. Small kitchen trolleys here, 40 pounds for the first one, baby cam. It's quite nice wooden kitchen trolleys, 80 pounds only for this one. More kitchen stuff here, rails. More rails, you can, very practical, you can put this on the top of your kitchen sink. Hang your stuff, whatever you need. All practical stuff. Here, this is pretty cool. It's on the magnets. Lot of inserts for the drawers here. That's how it works. More here on this side. Mat for the drawers and for your more jars for your stuff. Lights for the cabinet or drawers. And now we are in the kitchen table section. Pure stuff. Extending table, 199 pounds. To pull this out, table extend. Then we put the middle part here in the middle. I've got extended table. When you wanna close it, just push it all in, and it's closed. 199 pounds. This is Ignatobi. This is slightly different. 99 pounds for this one. It's not extendable. This is good if you have a tight space, Northern, 150 pounds, so you can extend it from the both sides. Lot of kitchen chairs. This side, 129 pounds. table, £229. This big one, £229. More chairs. Long line of the chairs. So best thing is just come here, check it out, sit down on it, sit on it, check how it feels, and you can pick the right stuff for you. Kitchen bar tables, bar chairs. Okay, and we have more options for the bedroom furniture. Here, mount combination with the Pax wardrobes, mount drawers, all those are in my videos. Here you got another one for a bedroom. This is a bit darker here. Let's see this one here, flat on the top, Pax wardrobes. Check it out, those beds, that's pretty cool. Mom, ever popular range from IKEA. Got a lot of questions about the bed slats, so here is all three options for the bed slats. You get the cheapest Leroy option here, it's £20 for this. Lawn set £45. The slats here in those boxes, and slatted bed based layers, and for £70 for this one. So that's how it is. Three different options here. You can kind of adjust the hardness of the slats. This is the three options they offer for the bed slats. Okay, more bed here. Brimness. I have a detailed video about assembly of this bed with the storage here. Brimness without the back, just the bed. This one is nesting, £129, kind of metal bed. Player rig, £115. Popular bed. A lot of people complain the bed is squeaking over time. Hemnes, £179. Of course you have to count the cost of the mattress separate. Hemnes extendable bed with the three drawers here. The drawers here. Once again, I got the details video assembly of this one as well. That's how it looks. A Brimness extendable bed from IKEA, £165. So you can extend the bed this way with the drawers. This one, Svarsta loft bed, £130, metal frame. This is bunk beds, and this one is metal one. For this mattress, bunk bed frame, £169 for this one. It's a metal frame, and this one, what is it? Middle, £145 for this one. That's wooden one. I'm already working on this one. This is Flecke, £229. On the back here, you get some support at the back. So I'm gonna have 3 videos on this one in detail how to assemble this bed. I'm still editing this one, so you can check it out soon how this extendable bed is done. Mount bed here, single, Tarva, £90 for this one. Bedside tables here from Hemnes, different colors. Citadel from this one, Song Sound, £40. Different combination here, and you can have the glass top if you like. We're entering the wardrobe section. That's a wardrobe here. The combination, you can choose different how you want to combine them. I got tutorial on this as well. So you choose your boxes and then you put the drawers, doors the way you like it, and have them on those pop-ups. This one doesn't work now because it's out there. That's how it works. You got this pop-up here and just click it in here like this, and IKEA don't pay me for this, can you believe? They stuff in the store. Adjusted. Oh, that's right. This work is all over the place. Okay. More Plaza units here. See the different combinations, and this is Pax wardrobes already. Got different stuff inside. With the Nexus door, this one. Fardal wardrobe combination, Pax wardrobe frames. So basically all those are based in Pax wardrobe frames, and then the doors you choose the way you like it. This is Fardal Bicadal, and £245 for this one. We got the 4 cent here, £171 for this one. This corner combination here is the £685, and you should have a corner unit here. Yes, as you see, I changed the corner unit slightly, but that's how it looks like. Hopefully I'm going to do the video about this soon on my channel. That's how the corner look like. Just close the thing, and that's it. So this more options for the wardrobes. You see you have two different heights here. One is 201 and one is 236 in height, and then there is a possibility to make them a bit shorter, but not officially. You can check how is it done on my channel. And this is end of part 3. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, you will made my day, and see you in a part 4 where we're gonna carry on what's new in IKEA 2020, in June 2020 in London. After reopening the IKEA stores, we have still a lot to browse, show you the prices in part 4 and what's new here, how the store is organized. Thank you for watching, guys. You have a fantastic day, and see you in part 4.